How can I overcome my fear of public speaking? Fear of public speaking is a common form of anxiety. It can range from slight nervousness to paralyzing fear and panic. Many people with this fear avoid public speaking situations altogether, or they suffer through them with shaking hand and a quivering voice. But with preparation and persistency, you can overcome your fear. This step may help. Know your topic. The better you understand what you are talking about, and the more you care about the topic, the less likely you are make a mistake or get off track. And if you do get lost, you will be able to recover quickly. Take some time to consider what question the audience may ask and have your response ready. Get organized ahead of time. Carefully plan out the information you want to present, including an prop, audience, or visualize it. The more organized you are, the less nervous you are. Be use an outline on a small card to stay track. If possible, visit the place where you will be speaking and review available equipment before your presentation. Practice and then practice some more. Practice your complete presentation several times. Do it for some people you are be comfortable with and ask for feedback. It may also be helpful to practice with a few people with whom you are less familiar. Consider making a video of your presentation. You can watch it and see opportunities for improvement. Challenge specific worries. When you are afraid of something, you may overestimate the likelihood of bad thing happening. List your specific queries, then directly challenge them by identifying properly an alternative outcome and any objective evidence that support each worry or the likelihood that your afraid outcome will happen. Visualize your success. Imagine that your presentation will go well. Positive thought can help decrease some of your negativity about your social performance and relieve your some anxiety. Do some deep breathing. These can be very calming. Take 2 or more deep, slow breath before you get up to the podium and during your speech. Focus on your material, not on your audience. Pupil manually pay attention to your new information, not how it presented. They may not notice your nervousness. If audience members do notice that you are nervous, they may root for you and want your presentation to be a success. Don't fear a moment of silence. If you are lose track of what you are saying or start to feel nervous and your mind goes blank, it may seem like you will be silent for an eternity. In reality, it probably only a few seconds. Even if it longer, it likely your audience won't mind a pause to consider what you are being saying. Just take a few slow deep breaths. Recognize your success. After your speech or presentation, give your success a pat on the back. It may not have been perfect, but chances are you are far more critical of yourself than your audience is. See if any of your specific worries actually occur. Everyone make mistakes. Look at any mistake you made as an opportunity to improve your skill. Thanks.